Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to explain how to send an email and the features that comes with that in Microsoft Outlook. Now to send an email, you can simply click new email and the new email window will appear to you. Now this window has a lot of features. We will start with the from, which is basically the email that you want to send the message from. Now if you have more than one email, there's an arrow here. You can choose the email that you want to send the message from. Now I will leave it to default. The to is basically the email that you want to send the message to, and it will show you a list of recent people to select from, or you can simply write the email address and hit enter. Now if you don't remember the email address and you don't have a recent menu, you can click the to icon and search for the email. Now, once you start typing, it will show you a list of your emails so that you can easily pick one of them. Now, there's also the CC menu, and the CC is basically the carbon copy. These are the people that you want to send a copy of those emails to, and everyone will know that they were CC'd. So Ashraf will know that, let's say Muhammad, or anyone you wrote his name here, it was CC'd in this list. Now, let's say that you want to send a copy of this email without anyone knowing this. I can simply do that by clicking the CC icon, and here, down here, we have the BCC option. Here you can type the email that you want to send the message to, and you don't want anyone to know. So it's a blind carbon copy. So Ashraf won't know that eduengineteam@gmail.com received a copy of this email. But if you place the email in this area, Ashraf will know that eduengineteam@gmail.com received a copy of this email. That's why this is called a blind carbon copy. Now another way to show the BCC menu here is to go to the options and select BCC. Now we have it here. You can add the emails that you want. Now let's go back to the main messages tab. Here we need to add a name for our email, new email from Ashraf. Now here you write the body of your email. So we start typing, dear Ashraf, kindly find the attached document. And here you need to add regards. We'll talk about that, Ashraf. Now this is our email. We can add some, let's say, formatting by increasing the font size, changing the color, adding a foreground or background color, changing the text alignment to the middle. I'll keep it to the left. Now, if you want, you can clear the formatting, as you can see, and you can remove the background color or do whatever you want. So this is basically like Microsoft Word. You can do whatever you want. Now let's say that I want to send an attachment. Simply go to attach file and choose the attachment that you want. Now I can attach any of these things. Let's say that I want to attach this script. It's a very small script. And this is how to add an attachment. This is how to write the email subject line, the email body. Now, once we are done with this, you can also add a follow-up to this email or mark it as high importance or low importance. Now, this will appear on the sender because it will show him that this is a very important email and he needs to respond immediately. Low importance means that this is a low priority email and he can take his time to respond. And once you are done, you can simply click send to send the message. Now let's say that you don't want to send it now. You can click the close sign and it will tell you we saved a draft of this message for you. Want to keep it? Click yes. Now the message will be moved to the drafts folder, which is basically this folder. Now let's check the drafts folder here. Now here you can see all the drafts that I was sending, but I didn't. Now you can pop one of the drafts out by clicking the pop out icon, and you can change the sender or the to email. Let's change it to my email address so that we can receive it and see what's inside it. New email. And here we will add high importance, and we can attach a document. Then if you want to send it, simply hit the send button. Now the email will be sent to the emails that we have assigned, and we can see the new email on our inbox if we have checked our inbox. This is how simple it is to send a new email, and you can check your inbox to see the new email. Sometimes it takes some time to load. Now we have 467. This is the new email that we have sent. As you can see, it's marked as high importance, and this is the attachment, this is the email body, and this is the email subject line. Now, if when you are sending an email there wasn't an internet connection or there was a problem, you will find this email in a folder called Outbox right here. This is the Outbox emails, and usually it shows you the emails that are being sent. Now, once the email is sent without any problems, you will find it in the Sent Items folder right here. This is how easy it is to track the sent items. Now, let's say that this is an email that we received on our inbox folder, and we want to respond to this email. We can respond in more than one way: by right-clicking the email and hitting the reply button, or by clicking the reply button right here, or by clicking the reply button right here. Now, once you click on it, the new email window will pop up, and you can write noted, and you can also add high importance to your response and click send. Once you reply to this email, you will see this sign. It means that this email is one of the emails that you have read and you did reply to this email. Now, this sign means that it has an attachment. This means that it is of a high importance, and this means that the email is not flagged. And now we receive the reply, as you can see here. Now, there is also the reply all button, where if this email was sent to more than one person, you can click reply all and send a reply to all of the emails that are inserted in the or from the sender email. Now, we also have another option. Let's discard this. We also have the forward email feature, which helps you forward an email to someone else. And let's forward it to ourselves. Click send. Now we will receive the forwarded email here. And as you can see, this sign means that this email was forwarded to someone else. Now, once we receive the email, you will see it in your inbox with the forward sign as well. It won't take long. As you can see, this is the email that we have received, and it was forwarded to us. The original email was this one, and it has the forward sign, as you can see here, which is this arrow. Now, this is everything you need to know about sending new emails and dealing with new emails, replying the CC and the BCC. Next, we are going to talk about signature and how you can add a signature or your own signature to your email. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Ashraf. See you next.